Hi, this is Diane from Treasures from Jones Health and Wellness with the 5 best breakfast foods for type 2 diabetes to control high blood sugar. We all know that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but let's remain mindful of the fact that if you have type 2 diabetes, you don't want to eat a large meal at breakfast because you still have to eat not only lunch, but dinner as well, and sneak in a few snacks throughout the rest of the day. So let's go over 5 easy breakfast ideas for type 2 diabetes to help control blood sugar levels. Number 1, traditionally eggs are an excellent diabetes-friendly breakfast idea because they are filling and packed with nutrients, and we can prepare eggs in so many different ways to give us lots of variety to control high blood sugar levels. But rumors suggest that eggs may not be healthy due to the cholesterol content, but this is only a problem if your cholesterol levels are high, where you want to exercise more and limit your egg consumption. So go ahead and enjoy eggs on your type 2 diabetes breakfast menu once in a while, but when you do, let's just skip the bacon. Number 2, many of us like to eat cold cereal for breakfast, but when dealing with type 2 diabetes, we must be careful since there are no specific diabetic breakfast cereals on the market. Many brands on the market are loaded with sugar, even though lots of vitamins and minerals in low amounts are advertised on the cereal box. A bowl of crunchy cereal with milk can be a perfect way to start and energize your day, and a reliable breakfast option if it's entirely whole grain, high in fiber, and of course low in sugar. Number 3, is oatmeal good for people with diabetes? We want to evaluate oatmeal just like we do cold cereals. This high-quality carbohydrate is the best breakfast for diabetes type 2. Keeping blood sugar levels from spiking. If you want to lower your cholesterol levels, oatmeal is a go-to breakfast favorite as well. It's important to avoid the sugars. Add some low-fat and fat-free milks and enjoy it hot with fresh fruits added. You can also add a bit of honey or even some cinnamon for a more spicier taste. If you're wondering which oatmeal is best for diabetics, and which oatmeal is best for weight loss, look for steel oats, which are less processed than other varieties like instant oatmeal, which you should avoid. Number 4, one of the best diabetes control tips is a protein shake, which is an easy diabetes breakfast because they are low in calories. You can blend up a delicious smoothie or shake using fresh or frozen berries, leafy green vegetables like kale, yogurt without added sugar, then feel free to throw in some chia seeds or flax seeds for that extra fiber, as well as a little stevia for a bit of sweetness. This breakfast option is great and it'll give you the energy you need till lunch. This recipe is also a best post-workout snack for energy recovery and preventing blood sugar spikes. Number 5, a type 2 diabetes breakfast diet doesn't require you to eat a whole meal for breakfast. Have you thought about eating a diabetes-friendly fruit bowl for breakfast, keeping your blood sugar from spiking? Just consider a trio of berries tossed with a light yogurt mixture. Fruit is another best breakfast food for diabetics, and if you don't think that you'll have enough energy to make it till lunch, throw in a low-calorie protein smoothie. Hopefully, these 5 easy breakfast ideas for type 2 diabetes will help you improve your diet. Remember to maintain total carb counts for breakfast, a healthy lunch, or hearty dinner while focusing on diabetes-friendly recipes with a variety of sugar-stabilizing menus. Managing your type 2 diabetes with small, simple changes to your daily routine will help you lower your blood sugar levels as well as reducing your weight. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you found the information helpful, please give it a like. And consider subscribing to Treasures from Jones Health and Wellness channel. And please ring the notification bell so you'll know when more videos like this are posted. And if you have a moment, please watch another video on my channel. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.